Today, we'll explore the science behind ice ages and investigate whether our ancestors or modern humans played a role in shaping Earth's climate. An ice age is a period when global temperatures drop significantly and massive ice sheets expand across continents. But Earth hasn't had just one ice age, it's had several. The most recent, known as the Quaternary Ice Age, began about 2.5 million years ago and still lingers in the form of polar ice caps. Scientists study ice ages through geological evidence like ice cores, sediment layers, and fossils. These clues provide a timeline of past climate changes and the forces that caused them. One major driver of ice ages is the Milankovitch cycles, slow changes in Earth's position relative to the Sun. These cycles include orbital eccentricity, the shape of Earth's orbit, axial tilt, which affects the intensity of seasons, precession, the wobble of Earth's axis over time. Together, these factors alter how much sunlight reaches the planet, triggering long-term climate shifts that lead to ice ages. Now, what about humans? Could early human activity have influenced past climates? While humans didn't cause the ice age, recent evidence suggests our actions significantly impact the planet's climate today. The greenhouse effect, driven by carbon dioxide, methane, and other gases, traps heat in the atmosphere. This human-induced warming contrasts with the natural cooling cycles of ice ages. Industrialization, deforestation, and the burning of fossil fuels have accelerated this process, making human activity a dominant force in modern climate change. Ice ages occur over tens of thousands of years, driven by natural processes. In contrast, today's climate change is happening in just decades. This rapid warming disrupts ecosystems and threatens to overshadow the natural rhythms of ice age cycles. While natural ice age cycles are slow and predictable, the unprecedented speed of modern warming demands urgent attention. Understanding ice ages and today's climate challenges highlights the importance of scientific research and proactive solutions. Although humans didn't cause the ice age, we now have the power and the responsibility to influence Earth's climate. By taking action today, we can shape a sustainable future for generations to come. Subscribe for more insights on science and the environment.